Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the detailed and practical course on delay and cost analysis through Primavera P6. So this is the very first video of the entire video series. Here we will not be touching the technical details of Primavera and delay analysis. Instead, we'll be talking about the structure of the course. So the very first part of the course will be dealing with addition of the entire project called as residential building construction project. So one very practical example we have taken for the entire video series, which is your RBC residential building construction. So this is how the project looks like. So there are these five work breakdown structures: start, civil works, then finishes, MEP works, and end. Inside this, these are the activities that we'll be adding. Like in civil works, we'll have site clearance, excavation, structure works. Inside finishes, we'll have flooring, brickwork, doors and windows, plaster and paint. Then inside MEP works, we'll have plumbing, electrical, and then finally the project end. These will be the durations associated with the activities. Then we'll be also assigning the relationships for all these activities. Then furthermore, we'll be assigning the project calendar. If you go to the Primavera, you'll be able to see inside enterprise, we have created our own customized RBC calendar. So if you go to modify, you will see that we have created the timings of our site as per the requirements. We have set up the work weeks, we have set up the time periods, we have set up all the details for our calendar, and then we have assigned this calendar to our project also. Okay, apart from this, we have created several resources. Like you can see labor, then your project manager, excavator, then some material resources like your RCC, tiles, bricks, wood, paint, sanitary fittings, and cables. You can see the same here also. Then all the details associated with the resources like units of measurement, what are their prices, maximum units per time, then defaults unit per time, then a calendar associated with these resources, then their general settings, all of these details will be adding for all those resources. Then finally, we will be assigning these resources to the respective activities. Okay, so this is how we'll be creating our complete project in Primavera P6. Okay. Then second part of this particular course will be moving towards the delay and cost analysis. So we'll be understanding the entire theory and entire practical we'll be performing in Primavera P6. So you can see that we have taken four delays associated with our project. So the first delay that we have taken is in excavation works. So dewatering delay happened. So 1 day of dewatering delay we are considering due to unexpected rains. Then another delay we are considering in the structure works, which is because of the changes in the design, which has caused some rework. The next delay is in flooring works, which is because of the shade approval delay from the client. Then one delay we are considering in the electrical works activity, which is belonging to the contractor, that is a low productivity of the workforce. All these delays will be adding one by one using different techniques. Like if I go back to Primavera, if I go to projects, then you'll be seeing that this is the main project that I created as residential building construction. Then I copied this project and I performed delay analysis in individual projects. The first analysis that I performed is of as planned versus as built. The next will be impacted as planned, then collapsed as built, and finally time impact analysis. These four techniques will be performing one by one. So currently, if you see, I have opened impacted as planned, and you can see all the analysis we have performed. We have calculated the variance in project duration, variance in project finish, variance in our cost for the project as well. So all of this will be performing one by one. We will also be understanding the project Gantt chart manually. So this is the as planned schedule. This is the as built schedule. So we'll be understanding theory also behind all the analysis techniques using this particular slide. Okay. So it will be a step-by-step procedure, how you can perform the delay analysis, how you can perform the cost analysis. Then we'll be moving towards the advantages and disadvantages associated with each of these techniques. So all these four techniques will be performing, and then we'll be assessing the results. Finally, we will be printing the reports. You need to go to file, then you can simply print preview it. And this is how you need to print the reports. But this is just a very short version of printing the reports. How to print the reports as per your requirements will be understanding in that particular video. So this will be all about the delay and cost analysis. Then finally, we'll be having one small assignment also. If you go to the projects, you can see this construction giants. It has one particular project of hotel construction. So we'll be taking this particular project as an assignment. We'll be solving it. It will be a full-fledged example. You have to perform it. I'll be also showing the video solution for it, and we'll have some associated questions after you perform the delay and cost analysis. We'll have to answer them all. Then one bonus lecture will be there, which will be talking about the concurrent delay analysis in Primavera P6. We'll have certain quizzes associated with all the sections. So everything will be practically arranged for you in a manner that you will be able to imagine the real practical project. Although the project that you will be executing at site will have certain more number of activities, but this is a project that can give you a glimpse of the real time project, because all your projects that you perform will have definitely your civil works, then your finishes, MEP, and certain other associated activities also. So that's all for the structure of the course. I hope the entire course will be very beneficial for you all. It will be a full-fledged course, and I can definitely guarantee that through this particular course, you will learn a lot. And even if you don't have a full knowledge of Primavera, even if you know a very basic thing about Primavera, you need not worry, because ultimately we'll be performing the each and every entire function in this particular course. So that's all. All the very best. Thank you, everyone.